In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an episode. By the end, you'll know exactly how to line up your podcast to go live automatically at the perfect time, so you don't have to be at your computer when your audience is ready to listen. First, open Spotify for Podcasters and create a new episode. If you're taken to your dashboard, look for the option to start a new episode and click into it. This is where you'll prepare everything your listeners will see and hear. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, then return to your episode workspace. Next, upload your audio and add your episode details. Drag and drop your file or use the upload button to select your audio, typically in a common format like MP3 or WAV. While it uploads, fill in your episode title, description, and any relevant notes. A clear, concise title helps listeners quickly understand what they'll get. In the description, include a short summary, key takeaways, and any links you want your audience to visit. If your show uses episode numbers or seasons, add those as well for better organization. You can also adjust options like marking the episode as explicit if needed, and set a custom thumbnail to make it stand out in feeds. Now, instead of choosing to publish immediately, select Schedule. Depending on your interface, this may appear as a drop-down next to the Publish button or as a dedicated scheduling option. The idea is the same. You're telling the platform to hold your episode until a specific time. Choose the date and time you want your episode to go live. Think about your audience's time zone and listening habits. Early mornings or consistent weekday slots often work well. Double-check the time zone displayed in your account settings so your release lands when you expect. If you're coordinating with announcements or a newsletter, align the schedule to support that plan. Finally, save to schedule the episode. Look for a confirmation that your episode is scheduled. You should see the chosen date and time clearly displayed. If you need to make changes, you can return to the episode later to edit details, adjust the time, or switch back to immediate publishing. It's a good idea to preview your episode page to ensure titles, descriptions, and artwork look right before it goes live. That's it. Open Spotify for Podcasters and create a new episode, upload your audio and add details, select schedule, choose your date and time, and save to confirm. With your episode queued up, you can focus on promotion and planning your next release.